Hello everyone, very good evening. I am Jagdishwari. Recently I have joined Manoj Gupta's 21-day challenge ChatGPT. It was very interesting and he's creating some magic. Basically, I'm a non-IT background. I'm from non-IT background. I know only basic computer skills, okay, not that much like that language programming and all. But now I'm learning ChatGPT and I'm creating newsletter, and through this one some I'm clearing some prompts, I'm making newsletter. Even I was surprised. Oh, I thought I cannot do this, but now I'm doing everything. So only because of Manoj sir. He's such a very nice person, kind. So whenever we are having doubts, he's very simple and kindly is clearing the answers for us. So in an easy way, he's clearing the doubts. So I'm really very happy. Thank you so much, Manoj sir. I got some subscriber. My husband appreciated me very much. Now I'm very happy that I can also do this. So thank you once again, Manoj sir. Thank you for this opportunity.